Hey Vine friends, I don't even know how to act right now because apparently there are 500 of you here. My channel is growing and I can't thank you all enough, for real. Since we've hit this little milestone, I figured we just hang out today and I'd show you all of the Hoyas that I've gotten this month, because I may or may not have blacked out while shopping online and going into Home Depot. Okay, so I have been watching all of the other content creators going to Home Depot and finding all of these fabulous Hoyas. And I have also been going to Home Depot, but my Home Depot did not have the Hoyas that everybody else has had. So I was bummed. And my husband went to Home Depot and he asked me if I wanted to go. And I was like, no, I don't want to go because there's nothing there. I've already checked. There's not going to be anything. Now, mind you, I have been seeing these Hoya calistophyllus online where everybody has been, grabbing them. And I was like, why are they not coming to my area? Well, my husband went to Home Depot and bless his little heart, he checks the plant aisle every time he goes into Home Depot or Lowe's because, he loves me. And he found this Hoya calistophylla. I was about to give up on finding this thing. And sure enough, he goes in there and he finds this one. And he went to the Home Depot that's right next door to us. And I never go into that one because they never have anything good. And I don't want to waste my time. And not only did he find the Hoya calistophylla that I've been looking for, look at these leaves. But he also found another Hoya that I love. He got this one because he didn't know if I had this one or not, but he definitely knew that I was looking for the other one. So he found this Hoya crassipedialata splash, and I have the regular Hoya crassipedialata. I actually showed my other one to you guys in the latest video that I did, where I was showing you all of my favorites that are in pond right now. And that one doesn't have any of the splash on it, but I still love it. It's one of my favorite Hoyas, just how it looks. But then he found this one and I was like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. So now I have the Hoya crassipedialata splash. And it was labeled a Hoya dappled forest. I don't know why they keep on changing the names of these things. But anyways, I plan on potting this one up with my other one in a bigger self-watering pot. And I'm going to put it in pond with the other one. So happy about this. And also, while I was at Home Depot, another Home Depot at a different time, I found this Hoya warburgii. Look at this. This is awesome. It has some of the pink splash on there, and that's how I knew it wasn't like your regular average run-of-the-mill Hoya that was sitting on the shelf. I actually looked at the leaves and I saw that there was this pink pink splash on the leaves, and I was like, I don't know what the name of this is, but I know it needs to go home with me. So when I got it home and I looked at this little tag, it actually has the name of the Hoya on the tag, but it's in small writing and I can't see very well. So when I got it home, I actually Google searched it, and sure enough, it's a Hoya warburgii. Anyways, I got it, and it's in this cute little, well, all of them are in these cute little hanging planters, but I'm probably not going to keep it in this. I'm probably going to add it to the Hoya shelf so it can get lots and lots of light so that that pink splashing can come through. So, yes. And then, guys, so I also went to yet another Home Depot. Don't be judging me, okay? Um, and I found this Hoya Van Viengensis. And look how cute this is. It's really fuzzy underneath the leaves, and the top of the leaves are really like waxy and dimpled. And I got this one at Home Depot, but that's not all. I had placed an order with my favorite plant shop, and they are not sponsoring me, by the way. I am just getting to 500 subscribers. Thank you all. So I don't have any like sponsors. I'm just telling you guys what I like and just going from there. But I had placed an order online to get some more Hoyas in my collection. Mind you, I had been shopping. Well, I wasn't really shopping. I was just like browsing, just going to Home Depot to browse. But I got lucky and found all these Hoyas. Anyways, I had already gotten this one online when I found this one in store at Home Depot. This one from Canopy Plant Company looks way healthier. This one I paid $20 for, $19.98 or something like that, from Canopy Plant Company. And this one I paid $6 for at Home Depot. Now, mind you, there's some mechanical damage, like this leaf got ripped. It was already ripped when I got it. And, there's some damage on some of the leaves. But for $6, I plan on potting these up together so I can have a fuller pot. And I'm very, very excited about this. So, Hoya Van Viengensis. And then, with that Hoya Van Viengensis, I ordered David Comingiana. And it kind of looks like my Hoya Rosita, but it doesn't have the color that my Hoya Rosita has. So I'm hoping that it will size up for me sometime soon. And don't let me catch one of these at Home Depot, because I'm going to buy some more and get a fuller pot. And then I got this Hoya Discipulae, and this is the first Hoya that I have purchased, not for the leaves, but for the flowers. And this thing already had a peduncle on it when it came to me, but the peduncle has since dried up, and I don't know if I'll be able to show this to you, but the peduncle is right here, and it has dried up. So no flowers yet, but I'm being optimistic, and I think that we will get some more peduncles and some flowers. And I'll put a picture up of what these flowers look like, because they are awesome. They're the ones that look like the little egg beater, and I think that they are so unique and so awesome. So if I get some of those blooms, I will be on here showing them to you guys as soon as that happens. The last Hoya that I want to show you is this Hoya Multiflora. Look how full this basket is. I got this from Canopy Plant Company, and when it came to me, it already had a peduncle on there, and there were 3 of the little shooting star dragon head flowers on them. And this is another plant that I got for the flowers. So this is the second one now that I'm into Hoya flowers that I purchased just for the flowers. And I was so surprised to see that this thing, look how established it is. And not only established, but it came to me with flowers on it. And so my chances for flowers on this again is going to be awesome. So I will keep you guys apprised of the flowers when they come in because they are so awesome. And I could not wait to come on here and show you guys what I've gotten. Okay, I know that I definitely did not need all of these Hoyas, but here we are. And who's going to check me, boo? No, but in all seriousness, thank you for hanging out with me and celebrating this milestone with me. I really, really appreciate you being here. If you've not done so already, please hit those like and subscribe buttons below so you can help my channel grow. And I'll see you next time.